I think I became interested during my GCSEs in my secondary school. I did a DT GCSE and I spent loads of time in the workshop. I just found it really fun working on things with my hands and kind of getting involved. And that hands-on approach I realised I could do as an engineer. So I pursued that into my A-levels, doing mathematics and physics. I love solving problems and it was a really great fit for studying mechanical engineering. I chose the University of Sheffield for mechanical engineering because I could tell the course was really practical and hands-on. There's lots of involvement from industry and engineering companies, and it was clear that that kind of course would really help me develop as a professional engineer. Sheffield's also great. It's a lovely town. It's got loads of great places to hang out and loads of great people. The thing I really enjoy about mechanical engineering is it's so broad. Some people think it might just be about engines or it might just be about aeroplanes. Mechanical engineering can be anything you want it to be. If you can pick it up and you can use it, an engineer has probably been involved in making that. So what I love is being able to work on loads of different things. I've worked on medical devices, I've worked on toys, I've worked on coffee machines, I've worked on engines. Engineering allows you to make a change and make a difference in so many different fields and put your skills to great work. So that's why I love mechanical engineering. Being a student here definitely keeps you busy. A typical week I spend a lot of my time in the engineering building. We have the Diamond, which has loads of current and modern facilities. That's where I have all my lectures, and it's also where I do my labs to learn more about things in a practical way. I also spend a lot of time in the iForge. That's the UK's first student-run makerspace. I'm a rep at the iForge, which means I supervise other students making their own things and turning their ideas into reality. So I spend a lot of time engineering and making stuff happen there. I think my favourite thing about Sheffield is the people. Sheffield's a really fun and friendly place. There's lots of stuff happening. There's a lot of young people kind of creating new things both at the university and in the city. So you always see new cafes and new bars and new exciting spaces popping up. On top of that, Sheffield has a great natural resource, which is the Peak District. It's this wonderful stretch of countryside just outside of Sheffield, so easy to access, and the views are just breathtaking. So you can go hiking there with your housemates any weekend or even after university in the summer, and it is just wonderful. After I graduate, I'll be working for a design consultancy, working on lots of different projects in consumer products and medical technology. This is something I've always wanted to do, something with loads of variety and something that people will interact with in a tangible way. I love the idea that someone will pick a product that I've designed off a shelf and then use it. This degree at the University of Sheffield has really given me the skills to pursue this career path, both the practical skills of modelling and prototyping, and also the engineering and analytic skills of quickly solving a problem and doing something in a scientific way. So that's really enabled me to pursue this career path. If I could sum up mechanical engineering at Sheffield in one word, it would be practical. There's loads of opportunities to get hands-on, whether it's through labs or design projects, or even student-run spaces like here at the iForge, where you can just come in and make anything that you want to make. There's also a great practical emphasis in the degree, so there's often guest lecturers coming in from industry and showing you where the things you'll learn will actually be applied in a real world. So that's a really great practical aspect to engineering at Sheffield.